National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central McLean County in central Illinois, northeastern Woodford County in central Illinois until 5:30 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 5 miles west of Minnook to 6 miles northeast of El Paso to Hudson and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ridley, Lexington, Cheno, and Weston. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 1 and 28. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 164 and 187. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.